And no, nothing's wrong with my battery. I've got it turned over so it'll charge my phone because I forgot to. And now I'm heading to doctor's appointments for the kids. But look, almost 50 degrees today. So sleet yesterday, this today. Welcome to Michigan. See you guys later.
Oh, look, there's more. Slow down.
Let's see. Sky is so cool tonight. Let's try this again. Third time. I had you guys up and down. I am really making an effort to not do that because that has been a problem for me this whole time, is making my videos vertical. And it makes them like so tiny you can't even enjoy the video. So you can see my whole face and dirty car. So I'm just waiting on my daughter to come out. She's in middle school. So unfortunately our town does not have busing in city, so I have to pick my kids up from school. There's no help with that. And honestly, I'm okay with that. Even if there were, I don't know that I'd use it. So with the stuff that goes on buses these days, I don't know. I guess it would depend if my kids really wanted to or not, but I take them. And I don't think there's going to be swim tonight from the looks of things. That's really all we had going on tonight anyway, so I don't think that's going to happen. I'm waiting to see this weekend. My daughter has a band competition to see if that is going to be rescheduled or canceled, because there is going to be like a huge snowstorm. So all of the snow waited until, by that point, I think that'll be March 1st. So that hopefully will be the end of it. We can still get cold weather, but hopefully no more snow. We've only had a few, but still, bleh. So anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying my videos with food and the day in the lives. I have a list of, like I said, other types of videos, taste testing and product reviews and cook with me, clean with me, which I already do. Like what's in my trash? That sounds ridiculous, but I think that's it, isn't it? Where you just show people your empties. Trash, is that what it's called? I don't know. So yeah, I mean, that's at least another idea. So post some more ideas for me down below. I can do a Q&A eventually, but right now I kind of just feel like I don't have enough subscribers for that to be a thing, because, you know, kind of like my son's like, go live. I'm like, go live, and like one person shows up. But I'm, once again, not complaining. This is fun for me. I love it, and I'm really having fun with this and enjoying it. It's keeping my brain active, which is great after the stroke. It's keeping me more busy, which is good for my body and mind. Oh, my health journey is a huge part of what you'll be following. My weight loss journey is going to play into this too. So there will be a lot of videos on that, I'm sure. So I'm just waiting on my daughter to come out. She should be out in the next 10 minutes maybe. But I think I'll let you guys go. Hopefully your weather's better than ours right now. And I'll talk to you guys later this evening maybe. Okay, bye. So this is after the storm came. We are just on our way to Roman's soccer game. We didn't end up getting we ended up getting quite a bit of snow. Probably as much as they had predicted, 8 to 12 inches, but it melted really quick. As you can see here, it's been very warm. So it's already, quite a bit of it's already gone. So Roman had his soccer game, which you're going to see a little bit of here in just a second. And then I'll talk to you later. Bye. Go.
Keep going.
There you go.
Dribble it.
Get it,
There
August.
you go. Okay.
Woo!
Well done.
Okay, guys. We're gonna have you guys come along while we make
Some chocolate chip cookies.
chocolate chip cookies. Okay, what are we gonna need? You wanna read the recipe?
Yes.
Sugar.
I can't read cursive. I can't read cursive.
Okay.
I know how to do this one.
Half a cup. What does that say?
Brown sugar.
Okay.
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
Mate, wow.
Whoa, careful.
You guys might realize this. I made this out of paint.
It's hot.
It's hot.
Let's put all the measuring cups together down here. So, first we need granulated sugar, which is
Right here.
right where?
Which is
Which one's granulated sugar?
this.
Yeah, the white sugar.
Smells good. Pretty good, but not like.
Okay, so how much
You
do we
should
need?
feel that.
How much granulated sugar?
We need a half
Cup.
a cup.
That's good. Yeah. Okay, pour that in. Okay. What's next?
A teaspoon of.
Well, you skipped something. What does that say?
3.5 of
Not
brown
3.5.
sugar. 4.5 of
No.
brown sugar.
Three-fourths.
3/4.
3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Now, Roman, whenever you get brown sugar inside this, you have to get 3 of these because this is 1/4.
Okay.
Okay, so you're going to go down in there and you're going to get it. And then you're going to take your finger and smash it down and level it out like you were trying to do with the other one. Just please try not to get it everywhere, though. Good job. Yeah. Okay, dump that in. How many more we need after that?
2 more.
Yep.
Get.
Okay.
This is why you always gotta hang
I'll
on
help
to
you.
this.
Okay, push it down in there and then smush it down. Okay, might need a little bit more because once you pushed it down, it was kind of low. Good. Okay, that's 2, right? How many more we need?
1 more. Okay.
Okay.
Can I dump it like my shirt in there? So
No, I don't. You shouldn't have wiped your hands on your shirt. We are
Not
not.
so
We are messy cooks, guys.
I know we're really messy. I don't
So
know what.
now we need.
A teaspoon of salt. Some salt. Oh my gosh. Thank you.
Look at that bad boy.
Now I can open. How do I open this? How do I open this?
So how much salt?
1. Just 1.
So we're mixing together in a large bowl. Whisk together.
Whisk it.
That's a whisk.
Whisk it.
Whisk together sugar, which we're putting the sugars in here, right? We put the sugar in here. Salt, which we're about to do, and butter.
And butter.
Buh. Okay, so we need to fill this with salt.
Okay, do it. Do it. Do it.
Oh, you know what though? We're not going to put as much salt though because our butter has salt in it. So we'll just put just a little bit. That'll be good. If you have salted butter, you don't need to really even add any salt. I just added a little bit. You can mix that up if you want to. Just do it very slowly so it doesn't go flying everywhere. All right. Now we need butter. How much butter do we need?
I can't read while I'm doing stuff.
Right here.
Smells really bad.
Right
I
here.
can't.
Half a cup.
Mustard butter.
Half a cup. Melted butter.
I cannot read cursive, guys. I'm a child, okay? Don't judge me, please.
Okay, so get some parchment paper. Put this in here. Should probably make that a little wider. It's done. I don't really want the cookie dough up to the edge anyway, so I'm gonna grab it. I have it in the freezer for 30 minutes. And now I'm just going to take very, very cold stuff. All right, let's see. Oh, hello. You guys probably do not want to see that. Let's see. I think we're just gonna get like a regular spoon, just a metal spoon, because I need something kind of hard. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take a blob of dough. That looks awful big, but it doesn't really matter. You know, obviously, the smaller you make it, the more cookies you're gonna get out of it. But I don't know how much these are gonna rise. I don't remember. I haven't made these in a while. But I do know last time I made them, they were really, really good. Actually, last time I made them, I don't think I chilled them long enough and they weren't as good as usual. This time I put them in the freezer just to speed the process up of them getting really cold. So hopefully that'll make a big difference in the texture of them. Makes them more toffee-like when you let them get cold. It says it makes 12 cookies, but I think it's going to end up making more than that. I think it normally does make more than that. I don't know. We'll see. 12 to 15 minutes. So we are going to start with 10. So I think if I remember, these don't need as long as what it says. Be back. This is how they turned out, guys. What you think, Rome?
It's really good.
They're really good?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah. It's
Alright.
really good.
Good job. I thought so too. Alright. We'll tell everybody bye.
Bye. Make sure to subscribe.
Yeah, if you're new,
Yep.
hit that
Thumbs up.
like button.
Yes. I always forget about that.
Alright. Bye, everybody.
Bye.